We're going to review how to use the Avaya Workplace app for a Windows user in order to place a phone call. Here we have the app open to the home screen called Top of Mind. I can use the keypad, clicking, and then entering the 4-digit extension, and then clicking on the call button here to place the call. I can also dial an off-site number by dialing 9 and then the rest of the digits, and then pressing call. I can also use the redial button to dial the last number that I called. To place that call, I'd also need to tap on the call button here. We can also place a phone call using our list of contacts. This is a list of contacts that you create. You can create groups, putting together multiple names and then grouping them together and assigning that group a name. This is one handy way to find someone. Or they can be listed in your contacts here, and you can simply click on a name to dial that. We can also type in a name or a phone number here. This is a way to find someone that is in the lab directory. They may not be in your list of contacts, but if you're looking for someone in the lab phone book, the lab enterprise directory shows the lab population, and you can click on a name here. You can also dial using your favorites list. These are people out of my list of contacts that I have flagged to show that they are favorites. If I return to my contacts list, you'll see Melody and Laura appear down in my contacts here with stars next to their names. We can also dial using the history list. If we tap on the history button, we'll see a list of the incoming calls, outgoing calls, as well as even the missed calls, which appear in red. Let's dial this number here by tapping on the phone icon button here. When Melody answers, I have other options available to me during the call. I can mute myself. I can hang up. I can use the keypad. For example, if I've called and I need to make a choice from a menu, I can open up the keypad. I can place Melody on hold, which I'll do now. To return to her, I just press the hold button again. Or for other options that I can have during the call, I'll tap on the ellipsis button. These include things like creating a conference call by adding someone to this call I already have in progress. Or I can tap answer call and then transfer this call to another phone number. I can also extend this call out to my cell phone. This is something that is programmed for you by telephone services. If the call is extended to your cell phone, it's a pre-programmed number, and Melody will be seamlessly transferred to my cell phone where I will pick up the call. It's invisible to her, but I can continue the call there. I can, of course, also end the call here. I'll do so and hang up. And that is making and answering a phone call.